Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a typically South Indian style Bhindi Fry. So why wait, let's get started and check out how to make this delicious and flavorful Bhindi Fry. For this recipe I've taken about 1 kilo of fresh bhindi, that is lady's finger. Wash it nice and clean, pat it dry and cut it into small pieces. Make sure all the pieces are of even size. We're going to mix the bhindi, that is the okra pieces, with a masala mix. For this, to a bowl, take quarter cup of gram flour, that is besan, quarter cup rice flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all the ingredients together nicely. Now transfer all the mixed ingredients to the bhindi and mix it all together till it's all well combined. Sprinkle just a little water and mix it nicely using your hands. Once you've mixed all the ingredients together, let it sit for about 5 minutes. Next, take a pan, add enough oil for deep frying. Now start frying the okra pieces in batches. Gently drop them into the hot oil and fry them till they're all golden brown in color and they're completely cooked. Once the pieces are all cooked and crispy, remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Next, we're going to roast a couple of ingredients. For this, to a pan, add a little oil, add a few cashew nuts and roast them till you get a lovely golden brown color. Remove it and keep it aside. To the same pan, add some peanuts, roast it till you get a nice golden brown color. Next, roast a few green chilies that have been slit. Remove it and keep it aside. I'm also roasting a few curry leaves. This is going to give you a lovely flavor. Remove the curry leaves and keep it aside. Add a few pound garlic cloves with skin. This gives a nice flavor. So this is optional. If you don't want to add garlic, you can do it without garlic also. Transfer all the roasted ingredients to a bowl. Next, add the fried garlic cloves. Season the roasted ingredients with half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix everything till it's all well combined. Add the fried okra to a bowl. Now add the roasted cashew nuts and peanuts to the same bowl and mix everything together till it's all well combined. Here is this absolutely delicious and crispy Bhindi Fry, South Indian style. Now this is a very different recipe from the usual bhindi that you make at home. And you can see how simple this is. So you can see how gorgeous this Bhindi Fry is. So you can enjoy as is and serve it with some nice steamed rice, or you can serve it with some nice sambar or rasam or even curd rice. Now this is a very simple dish but very tasty and very flavorful. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.